Hello guys, this is Dan with the Crayon Brotherhood, and today we're going to be going over a Midland 15 watt micro mobile GRMS two-way radio install. I've already installed it, so we'll just be going over what all I did and the do's and don'ts so much, or should I say the things I do and don't like about it. So here is the box. I'll try to put a link down in the description. I got this in an event, but I'll try to find it online and put the link down in the description. But here's where I installed it, right under there. It's got like a little phone jack. You can disconnect everything, get it out of your way. And let me pull this off real quick. So this is how I installed it. I got another piece of angle aluminum. I mounted it right there. Pulled the wires up out of the way. You already got 2 bolts there and there. Just had to punch 2 holes here and mounted it. It was a really quick, easy install. And to get it out of the way, slide it out. It's got a disconnect right up here. There's a little white one. And you just disconnect the antenna right there. Put it back. It just slides in 2 little channels. And you can flip it, but I put the speaker down so I could hear it better. But it's completely out of the way right here. Even with the wire in it, it's out of the way. It don't touch my leg or anything. It comes with a mount right here for a CB mount, but I bought this from a truck stop. It's just a little yo-yo. I had it from when I had a CB in my old truck, but I just ran through the normal little hole in the firewall down there and ran the wire along the top with the fuse. The wire is really short. You can see right here where I had to cut it. It had a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug is all it had. So I cut that and extended it with regular wire down and around 12-volt and to the ground here. But it was a really quick, easy install. I won't give a review on how well it works yet. I haven't used it. I'm going out this week and hope to put it to the test. I'll try to get a range and everything and my next video on it, but it seems, from what I've messed with it, to work really well. Just power on at your volume, and your channels are on top. Your weather, I believe this one's the weather. Yep.
Up to 20 miles per hour. Tuesday night.
The little speaker's pretty loud.
Lows in the mid-60s.
Fairly clear. About as good as you'd expect out of a CB. All the brains, or all the controls are in the mic itself. So let me take this off here. I'll leave it on there. But all the controls are in the mic. And it comes with instructions on what everything does, so I'm not going to go over all that. But yeah, it's a Midland 15 watt GRMS radio. And that's what everybody was using at the last event. So I picked one up. Like I said, the install was really simple, straightforward. Well, it does kind of touches my leg. But I can mount it up a little. I can mount this up a little higher, somewhere up here probably, and then that would put a little more tension on it and keep it off my leg. But I mean, again, it's not really in the way. And when you're not using it, you're just trailing about town or whatnot, or not on a trail riding, you just unplug it and it's right there. Neat, clean, flush. Real happy with it. But that's the Midland 15-watt GRMS radio. I'll put some more information about it in the next video, after I can give it a review, after I can actually try it out, check some ranges on it. Oh, the antenna. So I've got it, sorry, a squirrel there. I've got it set right here inside the Jeep. This sits higher than your average because it's a Mojave, but I just got it set right there so somebody can't just walk by and snatch it. So tomorrow when I go out, I've got enough slack in it, I can pull it out and boom, put it, oop, that come loose, put it right there so it'll have better signal. But just setting, running around town, I'll stick it in here, and it keeps it out of the way from people messing with it. So y'all stay tuned, and put in the comments what y'all want to see, what I'm leaving off. I'm very new to all this, what you want to hear, what I'm forgetting, because I'm sure I'm forgetting tons of questions that could be answered. But just let me know, and we'll take it from there. Y'all have a good day.